Hello everyone. We're all waiting for the year 2020 to get over. So, what does the year 2021 hold for us? Did you know that your date of birth is not a coincidence, but destiny bound to you? So, in this video, I will be talking about year 2021 based on your date of birth. Hope you enjoyed this video. So, here is a synopsis of the year 2021 with your date of birth. Here we are taking only your date of birth, which is between 1st and 31st of any month. But first, let's get an overview of what the year 2021 holds for us numerologically. So, 2021, as you can see, totals to a number 5. That is 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. So, this number belongs to planet Mercury, which is approximately a 14-year-old teenager raring for action. So, Mercury in thermometer is also very highly volatile and sensitive matter, which can give high highs and very low lows. Mercury is also our mind and controls our speech too. So, here in a nutshell, it is a fast moving planet, lacking little wisdom, but nevertheless very optimistic and upbeat. So, 2021, a Mercury ruled year, can give wealth to practically all the numbers, as it gets along with all the other numbers from 1 to 9. Actually, 5 is the only number which can tolerate other numbers. So, it will give a boost to communications, IT, travel sector, internet, social media, and then spoken skills will rule the year. It is the year of metal, so silver and gold could become more expensive, but in this fast moving year we may forget to nurture relationships. So there is a danger of war between countries, within organizations, and within our own families, within our homes. So communication may be the key this year, but you need to choose your words carefully, as it may harm your close relationships. Everyone will be in a hurry to make money and make up for the lost time, but it would be wise to stop and take a relook, as you may lose too in this fast money making schemes. So digital world will boom like never before, but so will the hackers. So keep your password safe and protected. But overall, a good year to create wealth. So here now I'll start with the predictions for all the numbers from 1 to 9. I'll explain how this is from 1 to 9. So every person born on 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month is a number 1 person. So number 1 is a born leader. They hate taking orders and don't want to follow anyone blindly. But number 10 on the other hand is 10 times more powerful than number 1. 19 is an amazing money number, but 28 is like a very trusting person who needs to take care of his belongings, because they trust and they may lose, placing their trust in the wrong people or wrong schemes. So in a number 5 year of Mercury, Sun rule number 1 people generally will do very well, as both these planets are friends with each other. But for all number 1 people, it can be year of great success, and you have to have the control to not get carried away by the brilliance of Mercury. Things will go smoothly for you as long as you're not stubborn and go with the flow on a very sensible note. Learn to express yourself better in softer tones for relationships to flourish. So ideally, number 1 in a nutshell is gonna be doing very well, but again, keep these things in mind before you kind of make any statements. So now we come to number 2. So all the persons born on 2nd, 11th, 20th and 29th of any month are number 2 and are ruled by the planet Moon. They are the sweetest souls on earth and are extremely emotional. But the energy of a fast talking and fast moving world may tire them emotionally. Their energy can be low this year, as the head and heart pulls them in different directions, making them lose focus. So all number 2 people, please focus on your health and nurture relationships. Don't worry, things are in control, but your emotional health is very, very important. Now coming to number 3, everyone born on 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th are the number 3 people. This number belongs to planet Jupiter and is a wealth creator. But you may face difficulties of the ever-changing world and circumstances. Mercury, being the constantly moving teenage child, may disrupt the pattern of the much serious Jupiter. So don't lose your focus in all the hustle bustle that goes around you, and just keep working towards your goal. You will attain success. This is a good number, and if you can actually control this with your focus, you will do extremely well. Now coming to number 4, every person born on 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st of any month is a number 4 person. Now, this is one number which works really hard but seems to not attract wealth at the same level. This is because person born under this number in their karmic journey have chosen this number for leveling all their past karmas. But having said that, all of you who worked with a goal in their mind last year will reap the benefit this year. Don't be stubborn and unyielding, just go with the flow. There is ample opportunity to make things go your way in health, wealth, and growth. So, number 4 people, don't lose heart, because number 5 can give you that, wealth making prospects very well. So, just keep on your path where you're going. Now, coming to number 5, everyone born on 5th, 14th, or 23rd is ruled by Mercury and is a number 5. So, they have the year, their own year coming this year. This number is as it is a money magnet, and this is a year to shine more. So, if you are in the field of communication, IT, media, customer service, or maybe even a writer, storyteller, and are raring to go, this is your year of going. This is your year of glory, and you can make loads of money in the process. But a slight warning here, that in the race to chase your money goals, don't let greed overtake you and lure you towards illegal means, so that you may go towards illegal means and go towards your downfall. So stay happy and focused, and you're going to be a winner this year. Coming to number 6, every person born on 6th, 15th, and 24th are ruled by the planet Venus and are the most lucky souls on earth. In this year of Mercury, they can shine, but with doing some changes in their work and general outlook. Don't take any impulsive decisions and stay away from intoxication of any kind. If you are in the field of performing art, please read the fine print of the contracts very carefully to avoid any losses. Fitness regime needs to be followed too for good health. And because Venus is a friend of Mercury, so they also have an easy going, but keep the warning thing in your mind also. Okay, coming to number 7, everyone born on 7th, 16th, or 25th are ruled by number 7 and have a slightly weak constitution. You tend to tire quickly unless appreciated. This year may tire you for mentally, so stick to a very strict diet and exercise plan. Once you overcome this, you tend to do well monetarily. January, February, July, and August are the months to be watched for ill health. But 7 number people are very, very high on their spiritual content. So if they do their prayers regularly, they will do well this year. Coming to number 8, everyone born on 8th, 17th, 26th are ruled by the planet Saturn. All these numbers are karmic in nature, and as their souls have chosen to be born in these numbers to equalize the karmic debt of past lives. This number, teaches patience in the face of adversity. Last year may have been tough for most of you, but this year promises to be much better, as Mercury is a friend of Saturn and will give monetary benefits. But watch your speech, as you may harm relationships beyond repair. So weigh your words carefully before speaking. Coming to number 9, the last number, everyone born on 9th, 18th, and 27th is ruled by number 9, and the planet which rules it is Mars. Mars cannot tolerate Mercury, so their patience will be tested this year. Mars has a latent aggression, and if not vented out properly, you can get you involved in accidents or very violent incidents. So they should not get into any unnecessary conflict or fight, and also drive at low speed to avoid accidents. This was a general prediction based on just your date of birth. In my next video, I would be taking your date and month of birth with the year 2021. This would give you a more clearer picture of what 2021 holds for you personally. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so to get an immediate notification. So take care everyone, and see you soon with my next video. This is Anu Sachdeva. Thank you.